my name is Gilbert D. Soriano III, and I will make a gratitude stone. A gratitude stone is something that you can give to someone and make them happy. First, you need to look for a rock, wash it, and dry it. Since I don't have a red paint, I will be using oil pastels, so I can color my rock. Let's start. Go YouTube. Gratitude stone.
Why is your gratitude stone looks like that?
Because my mom is almost reaching 1,000.
No, I'm not. Okay.
YouTube.
Is that a YouTube play button?
Yes.
Okay, what about the other side? What's that?
It's a beach.
Why? You show it.
Beach.
Because?
I want to go to the beach.
Why you want to go to the beach? Okay, why? What do you want to do there?
See the fish
Okay.
and the sea. Thank you for watching.